Hi friends, let me blow this candle. This is so easy. Now I'll show you a magic trick using which I can blow it without blowing. For the magic trick, we need a matchbox, a candle, a glass and 30 milliliter of vinegar and 1 teaspoon full of baking soda. First, light the candle, then put the baking soda inside the glass. Third, put the vinegar inside the glass and wait for few seconds. Now slowly tilt it. Ta-da! When we add vinegar to baking soda, it forms carbon dioxide gas. The gas is invisible. We cannot see it. The gas remains in the glass until we tilt it. After we tilt it, the gas flows out and blows out the candle. Wasn't this a fun magic trick? Try this at home, friends.